It is starting to get really hot here in Switzerland, and so staying in St. Gallen where I am is not gonna fly. I need to be out, and the house does not have AC, and when I go out there are rarely places with AC, and I want to go and see places. So I got a GA travel card. It's like the Swiss travel pass that I got before. However, this is valid for a month and not just 15 days, which I got, it was 15 days. And this one doesn't include museum passes in it. And there are some other exceptions as well. But overall, 1 month of unlimited travel. And I'm gonna opt for cities with cooler, I don't know, maybe boat rides, malls, things like that, just so I can go out and have something to do. Pray for me. I melt in the heat. This is really unique. I've never seen this before, but I don't know if they do this weekly or if it's just a one-time thing, but they've laid out the streets with these sheets of red to promote barefoot walking, barefoot living. That's pretty cool. Look, barefoot everywhere. Huh. I really don't want to take my shoes off though. Okay, I've succumbed to it. I've done it. Now I'm walking the streets in socks. And there's people picnicking. That is so cool, right on the streets. So I just asked some locals, and I asked them if this happens every Sunday, and they said no, this was just a one-day event. I don't know if it was maybe also like a one-weekend event, because I wasn't here yesterday, but oh, that's so cool. That's amazing. Can you imagine Young and Dundas in Toronto doing something like this? Wow, that's a... And why did you buy this whistle? Why did you get the whistle?
For security reasons, if something will happen.
Oh, that's Sealpsee.
Yes.
Wow.
We saw it from the other direction.
Yeah, that's actually very nice.
You can see the peak there.
The peak.
Santis.
Santis?
Yes, with this tower.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. I made it to the top of Evenalp. That wasn't too bad, considering that we had the help of a cable car and then we just walked for maybe like 20 minutes.
Also this is called Leptic.
Lipdig.
Yeah.
Lipdig.
It's higher than Ebenalp.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Okay, that's even better. Sealpsee. Is it small or is it big? I can't tell. Oh, yay! Okay.
Okay, a
Thank
little
you.
bit missing from your head.
A little bit. I'll just paint it in. Oh, that looks like so much fun. One day, my face is gonna be there. Right now, it's here. With good company.
Come back next
Here?
year, something like that.
Yeah.
You want to make that? I can try to contact the colleague, and he can collect his brother, that we can organize something.
No way, that would be amazing. Yeah.
I cannot to say it will happen.
Yeah,
but we
maybe you
try.
can try.
Yeah, we
You can try.
Yes. Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. There's little bubbles. It's very cool. Okay, Okay, this is editing Linda here, and I just wanted to pop in and say that Asher is one of Switzerland's most proudest guest houses and restaurants because it is situated famously in the mountains. It is literally built on the side of a mountain. I think even part of the walls of that guest house / restaurant is rock. And then, of course, they built other parts made of wood. But it's definitely a sight to see if you are visiting Ebenalp. It is totally hikeable from the lowest part of Ebenalp, once you take the cable car up from Wasserauern, to the restaurant.
Yes, it's in Germany. It's a emerit.
Emirates?
Yeah, a single person lives alone, far away from all of us, to pay attention to God, something like that.
Okay. He lived by himself. That must be so lonely.
And you can see you are far away from all, and you transport food or something is very difficult.
Yes.
Because there was no cable car. If rainwater comes through, over thousands of years, it makes such holes, such caves.
So it will grow.
Yeah. So all these caves are made by water.
That's insane.
And lot of time.
A tiny church.
Wildkirchli, wild church.
Wild church.
Yeah, Wildkirchli.
Wildkirche.
Behind is the storage room.
Okay.
You can see it from the other side.
Wow, this is a church in the mountains?
Yes.
That's insane. That is so cool. Wow. Cave in the mountains, and I want to know where it goes. So let's go. But wait, what? I want to see what this is first. Come on inside. Okay, stones. I guess this just talks about the mountains. Into the cave we go.
Here. Here you can see through this small window the back part of the church.
Okay, I see. Interesting.
And he has collected rainwater and food.
Oh, it's a good fridge. Very cool.
It's a small one. See, already the end.
You have been here before?
Yes.
We made it!
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It was actually cool. That was good. Another day, another hike. Today I'm going up Hochkalp. And then from here, actually I'm halfway up, I think. I don't know. I can see Spitzli Mountain. And I've decided I want to do that another day. Because I don't think I'll be able to do it today. My God, today is so hot. Let's continue. Top of Hochkalp. Hochkalp Mountain. I finally made it after an hour and 40 minutes, I think. Finally here. Hot as hell. But not as bad as this other day that I tried to hike around Jakobsbad. That was bad. That was really bad. Check out the view behind me. That thing that's sticking out from the mountain right there is Santis, which, do you remember that thunderstorm that I went on? That was there. It is so crazy windy today. It's amazing. I'm so happy. That was legit crazy, and I don't regret a single part of it. It's all downhill from here, which is so nice, as a change from going uphill all the time. That's how you know you reach the top of the mountain, because there's no more uphill, it's only downhill. This view just never gets old. Where are you gonna find mist like that in June, where it's scorching hot? This is gorgeous. So, you will see around beside me that this place, I think they're paving another path up a mountain because I walked the concrete up a little bit, but here it stops at a dead end and there's just a pile of rocks in front of me and also off to the side. So I think they're weaving their way up a mountain. The paths up a mountain always look like this. So it's not like this one big steep hill that you gotta climb. It's more of an incline and you gotta do the snaky thing. So I think that's what they're doing here right now. And I reached, I guess, the end of a path and I'm really happy. I love finishing what I start. This includes books and food sometimes, even if I'm really full. Terrible habit. But I am proud that I made it up here. Now I'm gonna continue down the regular paved path where it's a lot less rock and a lot more pavement. But I'm just so happy that the weather is cooler and I feel like I have a lot more stamina in this weather where it's a lot more cooler. Speaking of the GA pass, right now I only have the temporary one. They will mail me my actual card, but for the time being, I'm allowed to use this little thing. So any ticket inspections on the trains or any transit, I just show them this and I'm good to go. So I'm excited to be going to cooler places. Hopefully, I think they're cooler indoor places when it gets really, really hot, because even if I'm all the way up here, it's gonna warm up at some point. Right now, the temperature is hovering around 26 degrees where the city is, and up here it's about 8 degrees cooler about. But if it's going to hit like 30 or 33 or 35 degrees, it's going to be like 20 something degrees up here, and I can't do that. I really can't do that. Plus, I really want to visit other cities. Not that I will be going very, very far because home base is here, St. Gallen. But I want to visit other places and spaces, and why not? So that's why I got the GA card. These have been the days that I have spent the last 2 months in Switzerland in June and July. Hikes whenever possible, some cooking at home, some exploring, some time with nature. And there's more to come.